I take a cart. I take a cart.
I pick up a basket. I pick up a basket.
I put the apples in a bag. I put the apples in a bag.
I check the price. I check the price.
I get the milk. I get the milk.
I buy a loaf of bread. I buy a loaf of bread.
I look for frozen food. I look for frozen food.
I read the label. I read the label.
I put 2 bottles in the cart. I put 2 bottles in the cart.
I check the expiry date. I check the expiry date.
I can't find the sugar. I can't find the sugar.
Excuse me, where is the sugar?
Excuse me.
Where is?
The sugar. I need some dish soap. I need some dish soap.
This is on sale. This is on sale.
Which one is cheaper? Which one is cheaper?
I check my shopping list. I check my shopping list.
I put my items on the belt. I put my items on the belt.
The cashier scans my items. The cashier scans my items.
I pay with my card. I pay with my card.
I take my receipt.
I take my receipt.
I pack my bags. I pack my bags.
I return the cart. I return the cart.
I put the bags in the car. I put the bags in the car.
I unpack the groceries. I unpack the groceries.
I put the food in the fridge. I put the food in the fridge.